welcome back to Emmventures Adventures. It's a little bright, a little white, and it's kind of actually not that bad of a day. It's quite nice and warm, and I think it's like -4 degrees Celsius. Yeah, so we're out here on a little adventure today, so let's go and do some exploring. So, as you guys know, I like to explore nature. And this place may look a little familiar to my followers who have watched more than just one of my videos. So where we are today is back of the duck hut and the boat that is now frozen in ice. But we are not going to go and explore there. We are going to go see what's out there. So let's go and see what we can see. As you can see as well, the only thing that's come through here in the past little while is some sort of animal. Kind of maybe looks like a dog. So we have two options. We can get over to there and hike down and see where that goes, or we can legit just start going through the forest. If we go through the actual forest, there's going to be more burrs, but I would love to see what's out there. So we're actually going to choose the harder, and we are going to go and see what is in this forest, because I'm curious. But I do think that there's a small little river. Let's see. Oh, maybe not a river, just something very wet. Also, the snow is very deep. So I wear boots, so I'm prepared. I don't always come prepared, but I'm prepared today. So, as I said, I have no idea where we're going or anything like that. It looks like there's a bunch of cool trails back here though. I hear what possibly sounds like dump trucks. What is this? Over here looks pretty cool. I'm gonna go this way. There is a fence here, but I can get through here. So I do want you guys to know that I am not trespassing. I have full permission to be out here. Just looks like some cool places to hang out and explore. So let's go this way. You guys, I cannot say how excited I am to go on an adventure. It's been so long, and I've been wanting to get out so bad, but work life and home life and life just gets busy. Looks like it's a little river. Looks like something fell through down there. So I do want to apologize for these really loud trucks. do believe that way back here might actually be the quarry. It also looks like the trail continues there. Ooh. The snow is very deep. It's pretty cool out back here. Wish I was in there though. Most definitely wish I did not cross the fence. Oh, that was a hole. What's that? Oh. It's a sled. That's pretty cool. We are actually going to turn this way just because I'm not really sure what's wet, but that definitely looks like it's more of the quarry. Oh, that's a hole. That's the downside about walking in the winter, is that you don't know where the holes are or the deepness. Something jumped right over that. I think this is the end of the property line. All right. Yeah, as you can see, something was tropping through here and it's super deep. That's the other trail. It's actually a road in the making. What is that? Oh, it's a chair. And a gate. So it is safe to say that I was on the property I was supposed to have been on. Whew. All right. We're gonna walk in this way. So I'm only gonna go this way towards the road, only because I thought I seen something. So we are going to duck into here and see what we can see, because I walk past here quite a bit and I keep seeing something, or keep thinking that I see something, and now that I have time to explore it, let's explore. So I do not know what to expect in here, except for possible trees in the face. Whew. Use that tree as support. It almost fell down on me. I think I see. What do I think I see? Maybe that's just a cool little hut. Because if we can come across what I'm looking for, this video might potentially be 2 parts. So let's just bear with me. Truthfully, I love exploring forests. I do apologize for my random sound effects though. So what I've seen was actually just a bunch of fallen down trees. But I think I'm going in the right direction of what I thought I possibly saw a while ago. Because I haven't been able to get up in here. Because it's either really super flowy snow or it's just way too cold to explore. Well, I do know that. Oh. My God, guys. Pretty sure I just died. All right. Now that my heart's shaken up, let's see. Because, like, oh, it scared the bejesus out of me, guys. Like, I think I'm walking on, like, swamp or something. Or the river. Oh, I think I'm walking on the river. So, in the summertime, I will definitely try to show you guys this area more often. Because I believe that this is a big river. And it actually flows quite a distance. Looks cool. It looks like there used to be like a fort out here. Alright guys, well this video is getting a little long and I actually haven't found anything that I thought I was going to be finding. So I think I'm going to stop this video here in this beautiful forest, and I think I'm going to explore a little more off camera, and if I find something cool I will jump back on and come and grab you guys. So thank you for coming with me on this adventure today. Thank you for being with me as I fell through some ice. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on all of your notifications, and always remember to enjoy the little things. Thanks for coming with me today on my Emmventures, and have a wonderful day.